Yeah, nice little crowd.
Odd one to start. Now he gets hold of that one. More of it.
Can mean that grassiness.
Oh, ugly. Oh, that come rearing back. It's wide because it's gone down the leg side. But it's just lobbing through. He does get some.
What's a little bit?
What a ripper, what a catch! Oh, that's good cricket from the fielding team, that really is. What a catch it is. Naturally, you're late to react. Carving in the air. Good take. Seemed like he'll pick up 4 as well because the field was different for him. Lasting up until the sun. There's definitely a little bit of movement. And then used to it. You do get. That's good. That's sensible. That's probably the easiest shot to play out there right now. Shot. Through. There's another bloke who can bowl. Yeah, and it depends on what's not so beautiful if you're. Who wants it? Mitch Hay wants, and he takes it. Skipper's come out to bat. GC.
As they are being forced back, someone is off the mops. Maybe 18 outs. He's looking around, but he wasn't prepared to put a hand up. And Michael Bracewell, I think. Everyone together. Oh, and he swung that away. And that's... Oh, Pakistan are just trying to get in the park game. Salman trying to get some. Oh, edged over the top. It's run away for 4 more. That is extraordinary. Oh, that's an interesting shot. And it'll be so. Will settle. He's so. Starts pumped away for 4 from Usman Khan. Well, he's given himself rough. Borrow tonight. And that's 1 innings out of 5.
Funny story, Scotty.
Oh, that is...
Fuck.
When you're asked to say something, Samad on strike.
Make me a...
Oh, gee, that cutback was actually very well played in the end. Not all of them, but a high percentage picked up by...
Still the wicket.
Oh, he was looking
For the middle order, the skipper, he's been there to give puck we've seen throughout. Definitely heard a noise, yeah, the finger goes up, catch the edge of Samad's back crease. Wasn't it, when we're 54 for 5.
Oh, geez, that's nice.
The most. Self a little bit of space. It's such a tight pocket in there. Not as much batting. And he goes offside. That one fielder out there, it's hard to sort of build success. And then it does, I think, if you're putting players in this. He's done just that. There it is. Gave himself the room, used it extra. Yeah, this time not quite there. Short gaps. Enough.
Out. Flat bower for 4. Oh! Smashed it to the point boundary. On the charge, over cover. Eric's ledge, he's filthy. Oh, he may have a point as well. Jahandik. Out. That's a hole. That is as soft as you get. Cushions of that one. Sears gets taken on the onside, high in the air, and into the boundary. What a shot! Loves that shot, doesn't he? Why not? Because he plays it so well too. This one's more like length. He's got that square. He's going to get out. He's out. He's out. Out to straight up. Someone catch it. Catch it for Jimmy. Come on, Neesham. That is really good bowling to tail enders, changing it up. No. Straight up, he might pick up another wicket. This is not easy. This is not easy. It was up there. And that we don't often get to see Tim Seifert and Finn Allen. New Zealand, and I think it's great to see these guys. They were asked about first by New Zealand because they wanted to bat. Oh, no! That was very nearly. It was nearly pretty pumped. He'll take it on. Misses out. Nicely bowled a half. It was an adjustment. Past the bit of scan. And he just helps it. It's just got longer. For John, the header really has. He wants in on the action. He shoveled and muscled that one. That's traditional. Try to get it out. That's now charging over the top. Bad luck. Lovely stuff.
He's just getting enough.
Oh, wow. How quick was he on his feet there?